All right, good afternoon, guys. Today, as you can see, we're in my wife's Volvo. It's a 2017 Volvo XC60. And one of the issues with it, and it's apparently across the board with all the Volvos, is this shifter knob. It always cracks up and everything. So what we're going to do is, I want to give a shout out to, I don't know if you can see that or not, these people right here, ERLE Volvo, out of Whitesboro, New York. They, make sure you copy that number right there. I called them up. So this right here, a lot of with the European vehicles, what ends up happening is they won't sell you just this part. Can't get just this part. They will sell you the entire shifter assembly, and the dealership here in town quoted me $311. I got in touch with Erie Volvo. That's yeah. What did I say it was? ERL? No, it's Erie. ERIE Volvo.com. So for a total of $78 with shipping and everything else, ding dong. Now, I don't need to sit there and replace the whole thing. I just need this part right here. Now, to get that part right here, let me show you on here what we're going to do. You need to get you a little trim tool like this. And what you do is you just grab this. There's a little lip right here in the very top. It goes all the way around. You're going to pop that in there. And there's a couple clips in here. You just kind of give it a nice little tug. As you can see, it pops right off. Now, here's the tricky part. Once you sit there and you pop this off, you don't want to sit there and break anything. The issue is, it's probably on this side. There's two clips right down here at the bottom, and they like to hold on. Let me get that out of the way. Pull that back. There we go. Now, with this, you'll see that there's this little, this is for it lights up at night and stuff when you have the lights on. So there's two little pins right here, and what you're going to do is just push both those in at the same time, pull that out. So it clips in right here. This is a little circuit board. Makes everything light up. So what you're going to do is same thing on this one. Oop, I just dropped my tool. Oh, goodness. All right. So on this one right here, what we're going to do is we're going to take our little handy dandy tool here and just kind of move it around. Be very gentle, not like I'm doing. And there we go. So that pops out real nice. You'll see the same little circuit board here with the same little deal, just so it's, I'm not movie magic here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and it was twisted around. So there's a little flat, you'll be able to see it. It's a little flat piece right here. And what you want to do is just take that gently. I know I'm like a giant here trying to do this stuff, so push it in. You'll see the little tabs pop out right there. And then basically, all you're going to do is get in here, fit it back up. It's the one on the bottom that's the worst. Is it there? Should just snap right back in. Get it in there. Make sure you're not pinching. I think that's what it is. It's pinching the cable there. And it should just there and there. Ta-da! And there you go. Nice little deal. We go from the cracked up one, which looks disgusting, to a brand new one, just polish it off so the wife doesn't get mad at you and everything. So it's all nice and down. Everything works. I turn it on, but it's in the middle of the day. But when you at night, the Volvos automatically do their thing, and these little indicators right here light up. So there you go, guys. That's how you sit there and change the shifter knob. You don't need to change the whole assembly because that requires taking off everything. The whole basically center console, you got to dig down, take this out, dig down on the sides down here, open up everything. It's ridiculous. But if this is all that the problem is, then you just need to pop this part off. And again, it's Erie Volvo. Their phone number is 1-800-441-ERIE, E-R-I-E, and you'll be okay. You'll be looking brand new just like that. Thank y'all.